Okay, let's go up to the home, over to the right, to click on settings. Then click on all settings. Settings is what we're hitting there. Then over here we're going to go down to apps. In the apps we want to delete all of the TV guides that we see. Uninstall them all. Okay, uninstall. See all apps. Look in here for any other apps, any other TV guides. No other TV guides. Now we're going to go up to downloader. In the downloader we're going to go to clear data. Clear data. We did that. After we clear data, let's just go to open. Now when we open up at the top, let's go over here and put in the numbers. 20753 or 59006. I'm going to go with 59006. Then I'm going to go down and hit the arrow. It should redirect us here. Now that we get redirected and we clear the data, sometimes we get these pop-ups. When you get them pop-ups, just click off of them. Alright, now we're going to go down to the Underground 7.0 guide, the very first one there. Or click on that, it should start to download. Now when you get this pop-up, do you want to install the app? Yes. When we get this unsafe, all we do is click on more details over here. Click on more details and then you go down and hit install anyway. Then it's going to say done and open. We're going to hit open. For this app, it needs to view correctly, so we hit settings, hit the button, and then it's going to allow the display. So we just want to go and check the downloader at the very bottom, the Underground app at the bottom. Check that, and then once we check that, just hit the back arrow on the remote, and now here we are at add playlist. Hit add playlist. Click here to submit login. And here we are with our username and password. We're going to put our username, password in. VOD will be checked, and we'll hit next. After you put your username and password in, VOD should be checked, and then you hit next. And then it should process. When it's finished processing, hit done. And then we go to the left to our menu.